Hello and welcome back to my channel. For the very first recipe of this new year, I thought I'll make something that I enjoy eating because that means that you guys gonna enjoy it too. So I'm making a gram flour chicken and cabbage. You can call it sabji, you can call it salad, and it's one of the dishes I made in Maldives for my dinner there, and everyone, all the guests loved it. So I thought, okay, I'm gonna come back home and this is my first recipe from the kitchen in this new year. So I'll do something that I've really enjoyed making and eating. So let's get cooking. Before that, you know the deal. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button. Let's get cooking. Happy New Year. As always, I'm using chicken thighs, boneless this time and skinless because it's more of like a salad or a sabji, and therefore no bones in it. I have got 1 kilo of thighs in here total. I'm just getting rid, as always, of the extra fat. I'm not a fan at all, so I'm gonna do that. And then each thigh, I'm kind of cutting it into 4 pieces. I don't want like extremely small size pieces. It depends on you. You can make slightly smaller, slightly bigger. I'm cutting 4 of each thigh. The chicken goes in a baking tray, and I'm gonna make a very quick, delicious, flavor-packed marinade for this. So that's the chicken ready. So I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of gram flour. I'm just going to dry roast this for 3 to 4 minutes until it changes color and I can smell it. So you can see it's really changed color and I can smell it. It's beautifully aromatic. So turn it off and I'm going to transfer this to a bowl. Right, so I have got here around 5 to 6 heaped tablespoons of yogurt. To this I'm going to add dry roasted gram flour, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of chili powder, and teaspoon of garam masala, and just 2 tablespoons of water goes in just because it's really thick. I want to make it like a smooth paste. Look at that. It smells really smoky because of the dry roasting of the gram flour, which is really important. Otherwise, you can taste the raw gram flour, which is not good. You really need to roast that. You can leave this to marinate overnight, but I haven't got the time. So I'm just going to go straight in. But if you have got even an hour, then please do. And I'm going to finish this with just a drizzle of oil. You could use olive oil, vegetable oil, mustard oil, any of your choice. So just going to do that. My choice of oil is mustard. Love the chicken and mustard combination. I've got a really nice hot oven at 200°C or 180 fan, and I'm going to cook this for around 35 minutes. I'm going to check, 35 minutes. It should be done. It will have a nice color and it should be cooked by then. I am just going to thinly slice 2 red onions. So I'm going to start with a nice hot pan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using rapeseed oil right now, but you can use any oil of your choice. I'm just going to give this 2 minutes. And I'm going to use half a cone cabbage and just going to give it a quick rinse first. Just thinly slicing it. You can use normal white cabbage as well. And then in 2 minutes the cabbage goes in. I am cooking this on high heat and I'm just going to give this, depending on how soft you want it, I'm just going to give this 5 minutes. And also going to add just like a half a teaspoon of sugar to caramelize it and give it a nice color. Just high heat 5 minutes. So 35 minutes, the chicken is looking glorious. I've got it on really high heat and I'm just going to put all of it with the liquid into the onions and cabbage. This smells so good. And I'm just going to finish it with a squeeze of lemon juice. Firstly, it's time for lunch. Secondly, this smells incredible and I cannot wait to dig in. I am so pleased. I've started the new year with this delicious recipe. It's got everything. It's got so much flavor. It's healthy. It's easy, and I really hope you guys will try it. Like, share, comment, and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. God, guys, this is insane.